Hello everyone, I'm going to share implementation of stem and leaf plot. So here you can see when we run the program, it asks us to enter an input of 1, 2 or 3 or 4. So on entering 1, 2 or 3, we get to read inputs from different 3 files that we have stored, and when clicking on 4, we would exit our program. So let's enter 2, and as you can see our stem and leaf plot is generated. So here is our main program. That is playing the main role. So what it basically does is it runs a while loop and then it prints the necessary messages. And when we have a try and accept error handling exceptions over here, so what it does is basically if the user enters invalid input, so it enters handles that error. So if a choice is between 1, 2 and 3, so at 4 the program would exit. Okay, so as you can see, but when it is between 1, 2 and 3, what it does is it would call the read input file function, which would basically basically read the input by, as you can see, there's a string manipulation. So if the choice is 1, so stem and leaf 1.txt file would be called, and it would read all the lines, and then it would return a sorted line list, which is basically a list, sorted list of integers in the first file. Okay, so sorted list of integers would then go over here and as an argument to insert leaf to stem. Okay, and what this program does is it basically converts all the integers into stem and leaf dictionary. So yes, as you can see we have used division function to calculate the our stem modular function for leaf. And as you if there is a stem that already exists in the dictionary, we would just append a value, or else we would assign a value. If it doesn't exist in the dictionary, then we can sort stem and leaf function, and it would be called, is basic which is basically a sort of dictionary by the stem values, which is our key. And then finally our definitely function display definitely function would be called. So as you can see, this is the loop where we called key and values. So our values would be converted uh, into this some spacing, and this would be a format with a vertical or line bar, as you can see over here. So to confound our data file, what we can do is we can add maybe alphabets into a program, or there could be inconsistent spacing, that could be missing values as well. So, and if there's a large data file, then there's a different scenario over there. So for that kind of situation, we would need to tailor our program to handle this kind of situations. Thank you for listening.